Let's explore some shapes today. Shapes are fun in every way. Circle, square, triangle too. Come along, we'll learn them. Woohoo! Shapes are everywhere. On the ground and in the air. Round or pointy, big or small. Let's find shapes, we'll name them all. A circle is round, it has no sides. It rolls along and loves to glide. Look, a wheel, a clock, a sun. Circles make the world so fun. A square has four sides, all the same. It's a frame or maybe a window pane. On your board, it's a perfect box. Squares can stack like building blocks. Shapes are everywhere. On the ground and in the air. Round or pointy, big or small. Let's find shapes, we'll name them all. Rectangles are long and neat. Two short sides and two that meet. Doors and books, a screen to see. Rectangles are so fun for me. Triangles have three straight sides. They make roofs and sails for rides. Mountains tall or tiny pies. Triangles are a great surprise. Ovals stretch, they're not quite round. Like eggs or stones upon the ground. They're smooth and soft, so fun to see. Ovals are cool shapes for me. A diamond shines, it's tall and thin. It glows and sparkles deep within. Kites and jewels are shaped this way. Diamonds brighten up our day. Shapes are everywhere. On the ground and in the air. Round or pointy, big or small. Let's find shapes, we'll name them all. A star lights up, the night so bright. Five sharp points that shine with light. Wish upon it, dream so far. You're a shining superstar. Now you know your shapes, hooray! Look around and shout, yay! Shapes are here to make us smile. Learning shapes is worth your while. Shapes are everywhere. On the ground and in the air. Round or pointy, big or small. Now you know and love them all. Shapes, oh so cool. Learning shapes is the golden rule. We're shape explorers through and through. Shapes are awesome, just like you.